Hi there, welcome back. We are now going to learn how to make a windmill out of a plastic bottle. This requires a little bit of physics, which is going to be fun. I'm just taking an old Talking Rain bottle. You can see by the bottom of it, there's these bumps here. We're just going to take that bottom part off and we'll make our windmill out of that. I'm going to start by cutting the bottom off. There we go, see I'm cutting with the serrated edge of the knife toward the table so that I don't cut myself. Alright, now there's one. Okay, so what I've created now is this windmill, this little wind turbine. If you try to hammer this through, it'll just crack the plastic. So we're going to drill a hole out and then use the nail to go through. So I'll be drilling right in the center, right here. The more in the center, the better. Now you want to round the hole out so that the nail doesn't catch. Let's try this nail in here. Oh, that's a nice fit. It's going to spin very easily. Okay, let's try this out. Now we're going to take a stake, just like this, so that we can pound it into the ground, acting as the windmill tower. Now the next thing we need to do is go back into the recycle bin and pull out the bottle that we just cut up. And again, I'm going to use the scissors just to cut this label off here. And using the scissors, I'm going to create basically a back plate for the windmill. So we want it to be able to slide smoothly on our windmill tower. Here we go, it's just a little piece of plastic there. We'll get our windmill tower right here. And we're going to want to secure this onto the windmill tower so that none of these small little hang-ups on the plastic will catch, so it'll spin smoothly. So I will use these tiny little tacks right here to secure this plastic shield, and use a hammer. Make sure it's very flat. Okay, we can clean it up a little bit with the scissors. And then we're going to insert the windmill by putting the tack through this little hole here. And we'll just put it right in the center of the shield and tap it in.